Okay, what's up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at Python's dynamic duo, where we have the args and then the kwargs. So we are going to look at a deep dive into Python's powerful parameter passing mechanisms that enable flexible function design and dynamic argument handling. So how are args and kwargs work? How do they actually work? We have args, which are positional arguments which collect extra positional arguments as a tuple in the code below, and then they call with any number of arguments. This is perfect for functions that need to accept varying numbers of values. So take your time, try this code out in VS Code so you can understand how it works. We also have the kwargs, which is keyword arguments, which collects extra keyword arguments as a dictionary, and then it calls with any keyword arguments. Okay, so that's it for this video. Both of them are perfect for functions that need to accept verifying numbers of maybe values and stuff like that. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, I am the general.